In the hustle and bustle of the city, Wyatt was crumbling a little bit each day. The weight of dreams, unfulfilled hopes, and unspoken exhaustion, all piled on his shoulders. One evening, drenched in rain, he entered an old café. There was no noise, just soft music and drops falling from the window. Nancy, sitting at the counter, served him tea without asking any questions. For the first time, Wyatt realized he didn't need to be strong here. He expressed his defeat, fear, and exhaustion. Nancy simply listened. No advice, no comparisons. In that moment, Wyatt understood that even breaking requires a soft place, where tears aren't shameful and silence becomes healing. The rain outside had stopped. Wyatt woke up feeling lighter. All wasn't well, but now it was manageable. Because he had learned, sometimes it's okay to break if you can find a soft place to fall.